Hello, smart kids. We are going to learn new lesson sources of water. Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. Plants, birds, and animals also need water to live. Water is an important part of our lives. We need water for our daily use. We need it for drinking, washing, cooking, bathing and cleaning. Children, in this picture you can see water. We need water for bathing, cleaning, cooking, drinking, washing, etc. Water play a very important role in our life. Living thing cannot live without water. Water used for different purpose: bathing, cleaning, drinking, washing, cooking. Water is also used to produce electricity. The farmer also needs water to plough the fields. In this picture you can see farmer is ploughing the field. And water turbine you can see. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fill up the lakes and rivers. We get drinking water from streams, lakes, ponds or from under the ground through wells and tube wells. This water stored in tanks and reservoirs. Children, where we get water from the rain. We get drinking water from the streams, lakes, ponds or from the underground through wells and tube wells. This water stored in tanks and reservoirs. You can see in this picture, farmer is ploughing the field. Water also produce electricity. The farmer also need water to plough the field. In this picture you can see stream, pond, river, lake, well, tank, tube well, reservoir. These are the sources of water. Where water we store: well, tank, tube well, reservoir, lake, river, pond, stream. We get water from the rain. Water is playing very important role in our daily life. Human being, living thing cannot live without water. Do you know, when it is very hot, the heat dry up the rivers and lakes. The water goes up in the sky as water vapor. These drops of water from clouds. This water from the clouds come down as rain. Rainwater goes deep into the ground. We dig wells at proper place to get this water. Too much rain leads to flood. It carries away houses, crops and animals. Dams and forests also help us to control floods. Too little rain leads to drought. During this rain there is shortage of water. Children, we get water from the rain. Too little rain leads to drought. During this period, there is shortage of water. As in some city, we to get our water supply from lakes. Water is stored in a place called reservoir. From it is carried to different places through a water pipes. It finally reach our home and come out through our water taps. Water purification. Children, we required water purification also. Water comes to our home from several sources. This water may be impure. Treatment of water is therefore necessary. The water stored in tanks and reservoirs is filtered and disinfected to make it free, germ free and pure before it reaches our home. Children, water play important role in our life. Human being cannot live without water. But there is a treatment of water also necessary. We filtrate our water from free germ and if water comes to our home from our several sources, but it is required to treatment of water very well. Now we'll see natural sources of water in this picture. Oceans, river, ponds, lakes, streams are natural sources of water. Oceans, ponds, lakes, streams, rivers are natural sources of water. Sources of water. Fresh water from rivers, lakes and ponds. It easily become polluted because they are open. People can throw domestic and indust waste into it. Sources of water you can see rain, well, tap, river, stream and lake. We get water from the rain. Well, tap, river, stream, lake are sources of water. And uses of water we'll see drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bath, cooking and watering plants. In this picture you can see you use water every day in our life. Drinking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bath, cooking, watering plant. We need water in our life. Human being cannot live without water. Saving water in the bathroom. Turn off towel while brushing teeth. Take shorter bath. Turn off tap while applying soap. Turn off tap after each wash. Don't flush tissue paper or waste into the toilet. Children, saving water also very important. We should save water. Sources of water you can see in this picture and uses of water. Rain, lakes and ponds, river are sources of water and uses of water you can see in this picture. Drinking, bathing, cooking food, extinguishing fire and washing clothes. Water is very essential in our life. Drinking, cooking food, bathing are uses of water. Subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video.